Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to AppSec's online support program. I hope you are good and safe. The book we will be following eSkills Learner Level 7, page number 87 till 91 and the module number 4, Communicating Online, and the task number 1, which is Networking Basics. Resources required: laptop, PCs, mobile, textbook and internet. Student, in this chapter we will learn about the following topics: network basics, network topologies, network categories and client-server model. Quote of the day: the man who does not read books has no advantage over the one who cannot read them. Today our objectives are: the student will be able to understand that how to create your personal website, how to publish your thoughts and ideas, how to use websites to communicate, and how to use your computer and the internet to communicate with others. Let's discuss networking. It's time to discuss what a network is and learn about the different types of networks. According to topology or geographical restrictions, computer network, also simply called network, is a group of two or more computers and other devices like printer, mobile phones and tablets that are linked through cables, fiber channels or wireless technologies like infrared, radio waves, satellite, etc. The computer and hardware devices that are connected in a network are called nodes. Network nodes communicate with each other in order to exchange data files, messages as well as share devices. Network topologies. Students, we have different types of network topologies. As you can see in a picture, there are a lot of network topologies and they are using different networks. The way in which computers are interconnected is called network topology. The most commonly used topologies, like we have, for example, point-to-point topology. This is the simplest topology we have used, and the other is bus topology. So let's discuss about one by one. First, point-to-point topology. Point-to-point, this is the simplest topology. There is and consists of permanent link between two nodes. Conventional analog telephony uses point-to-point topology. This means that a point-to-point circuit can be set dynamically for as long as needed, and when it is no longer used, it can be dropped. So what about bus topology? In bus topology, each node is connected to a single cable. Like computer networking enables devices and endpoints to be connected to each other on a local area network, which is local area network, and WAN, which is widely used, and the abbreviation of WAN is Wide Area Network. Now move on to network categories. We have two categories. Number one is LAN, local area network, and another is WAN, Wide Area Network. So networks are also split into two categories concerning the geographical distance between connected devices. In a specific, there are local area network LAN and wide area network WAN. A LAN, interconnected computers that are in a small area such as home and office and school, and the WAN, it covers a broader area that may exceed a country borders. For example, the internet is a type of WAN. Let's learn history. Sir Tim Berners-Lee is a British computer scientist and the inventor of www. On 25th December 1990, with the help of Robert Callio, he implemented the first successful communication between an HTTP client and a server. Let's discuss the client and server model. First of all, what is client and what is server? We have discussed that network consists of two or more interconnected computers. The client-server model works as distributed application where some computers operate as server and other as client. Think of a shop where there are assistants and customers. The customers have requests that the assistant must satisfy. Exactly the same happens in the client-server model. The server must serve the request of the client. So services such as email and web access are built in the client-server model. When you are using the internet, your computer uses a web browser to send a request to a web server, which in turn must respond with the correct data. So today our task is: first, define network topologies and explain some types. Question number 2. Define network categories and how many categories we have. Number 3. Which British scientist and inventor of www. And the last one is, what do you know about client-server model? Find out best answers of these questions. Try to write in your own words and note it down in your notebook. Use your book as a guidance or visit YouTube channel. If you found any difficulty, use internet and feel free to contact with me. Solve your worksheet and hand on of given task. That's all from my side. Last but not the least, stay safe, stay home and listen to your parents. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.